Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swap unboxing. I did a swap unboxing with Marija again, and you guys know Marija. She has a YouTube channel as well about her cacti and succulents. I will link her channel down. Okay, I'm back. I turned off the pool pump. So we decided to do a swap, and previously, I don't know if it was on Instagram or Facebook, I can't remember where I saw that she bakes things, and I had told her that I would totally swap plants for her baked goods. So I'm very excited to try something that she made. I think this is it right here. Sorry guys, she packaged it so nicely. I can't remember, it's a bread, and I can't remember what type of bread it is, but that's what it is, and I can't wait to try it. Thank you so much. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm totally trying it. We talked and we discussed what we were swapping for. I can't remember everything, but I know it was good stuff, and I guess my mind was more focused on the goods. I'm sorry guys, my daughter had to ask me a question. Okay, so let's get into it. Love this idea. I'm gonna have to get a shredder just to do this, because this is a really good idea. Yeah, I like packing with that better, so I'm gonna do that. Thank you so much, Marija, because that's a great idea. I like this stuff. I'm actually gonna reuse this. Let's see. Oops, sorry. I'm so excited. Oh, I know what this is, and look at those nice roots. Look at that. These are her Alpine Glow, if I said that right. Look at those beautiful colors. So pretty. It's very nice. Thank you. Oh goodness, look at that color. I see it already. I see it. Marija, you pack like a professional. Look at that. She packs better than me, yes. So, me and her were talking, just a little hurt leaf, but that's not a big deal. When she showed this in one of her videos, I'm like, hold up. My topsy-turvies, none of them look like that. None of them. They have color, I'll show you, similar, but none of them have those shaped leaves. Here is one of my topsy-turvies, and this is hers. You see how long those leaves are? So I'm thinking that they're related, but not the same. It has to be some type of maybe hybrid, one of these. But yeah, that is beautiful. I'm like, oh yes, I want that. So she was so kind enough to swap with me. Here is another topsy-turvy here with a few heads and a crested, and you can already see that the leaves here are getting longer. So I've always seen them like this, never like this. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. And topsy-turvies and cubic frost, they're very prolific. They're a baby making machine. So those are really good to have in your collection. Thank you so much, Marija. I love it. Okay. Ooh, that bread. I'm so excited for the bread. Let's see. Can you imagine? Like, that's how it was back then. Trading stuff like that. I like that. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know the name of this one, but I had seen it and it's a beauty. I don't have this. Okay. Let's see what this is. beautiful day today. It rained a little bit, but early. Now the sun is out. Really nice. Oh, yeah, I saw that she had a bunch of these, and I said that I wanted some. I just love the way they look, the crassulas, and I really don't have much. I have a few, but all crassulas, you know, look different. I'm not sure if this is the baby's necklace or not, but I love it. Let's see, what's this? Oh, maybe I'll take a picture if I remember. If I don't get too excited and eat the bread, maybe I'll take a picture and post it on my Instagram. You guys, check out my Instagram. It's the Succulent Greenhouse if you haven't yet. And Marija also has an Instagram, and I believe it's her name, Marija Johnson. You can find her through that. Her Instagram. Oh, more Alpenglow. I have a hard time saying that. It's so pretty. Such a pretty color. Such a pretty color. I don't even think the camera is picking up these colors. So nice. Have to make an arrangement with them. Okay, and for the big one. The big one. I know what this is. It's a type of euphorbia, but I won't remember the rest of the name. Look at that. I don't have this. I had seen her also when she was doing her cacti collection, and I saw this and I loved it, and I'm like, oh, I'm totally, if you have some to spare, I would totally want to swap that as well. So pretty. I love it. It looks like a little tree. Looks like a little tree. I really like that. And that's it, guys. Let me put everything down here so you guys can see it. Let me make sure I don't leave anything in there. Okay. Ooh, sorry. Right there. My Alpenglow. You guys can't see it. Let me get something to prop it up on. I like your soil mix. Mine does not look like this. Let me know what kind of soil are you using. If it's a different one than the, what's it called? Miracle-Gro cactus mix, because it does look different. Can you stand? Voila. Okay, guys, here's a closer look of everything that I got from Marija. And the awesome bread that I'm going to go inside and try right now. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow Marija, and also on her Instagram, and me. Thank you, Marija, for your beautiful plants and your baked goods. I will write to you in a little bit. And thank you so much, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.